Howdy. Hello and welcome back to Nerd Chic. I just want to welcome you back. Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to use your Snapchat filters on your Zoom as a workaround. I'm doing this because Kim Kardashian said that she wasn't able to use it, so I'm making sure she can use it. Okay, here we go. So here's the deal. The first thing is you're going to get Firefox. Go get Firefox and then download Zoom Scheduler and install it. Once you install Zoom Scheduler, it's going to be right over here to the right. You can see on the screen that little teeny camera right there. You click that camera and then you log in. So the next thing you're going to want to do after you log in and you've got it all set up is before you start the video, you do this next piece. Make sure you've got Snap Camera open. So I've got Snap Camera open now. I've got my little filter on. I'm a scallywag. And then over here, I've got everything ready. So click the little button for Zoom, which is the plug-in version. Click this, click Start Meeting with video on. Now listen, when you do this meeting, when you click with video on, it's going to take you into a screen that's going to try to load Zoom. So let me show you what it looks like. So when you do it, you're going to click Start Meeting with video on. It's going to click this. It's going to launch the meeting, and it's going to try to load Zoom. Cancel this. Don't load Zoom. Click Start from your browser. Now, when you start from your browser, it's going to take you to a web meeting, and you're going to say Start. Well, it won't say that you've got this meeting already going. Start this meeting, and then here we go. All right, let me see if I can do this again because I had a meeting going. Start meeting with video on, and then should click Launch Meeting, Start from Browser, Cancel. Here we go. And now the meeting's coming up, and you're joining the meeting. So we're in here. We get to this part. This little thing comes up. Look what you got right here. Start video. Will you allow to use your camera? Camera to share. Snap camera. Ready? You can also click remember this decision so it remembers. You can choose FaceTime, but here's Snap camera. Press allow. And then guess what, folks? You've got Snap on Zoom. The workaround works. All right. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget, guys, if you got any other questions, ask me here. I'll do a tutorial just for you. Boom.